5 ways to get rid of a skin tag overnight. Skin tags or papillomas are non-cancerous skin growths that usually form on body parts where there are creases on the skin like neck, armpit, under the breast, upper chest, face, nose, inner thigh, and etc. Finally, there appear a brown pigmented skin varying in size from small as 2.5 mm to as big as the size of a grapes, even up to 5 cm in diameter. Generally, these benign growths are harmless but can be extremely unsightly, and most people want to get rid of them because of their aesthetic and cosmetic reasons. Number 1 is banana peel. Banana peel is another effective remedy for the skin tags due to its strong antioxidant properties. Also, the enzyme present in the banana peels help to dissolve the tags naturally. Cut a small piece of banana peel and place the inside part of over the tag. Wrap a bandage over the peel and leave it overnight. The next morning, remove the peel and wash the water and repeat every night for a few days until your skin tags off. Number 2 is aloe vera. Aloe vera is used to treat many skin problems including skin tags due to its amazing healing properties. Also, aloe vera is known for its anti-inflammatory as well as antioxidant properties that can be very effective in treating the skin tags. Apply fresh aloe vera gel on the skin tag, massage gently in a circular motion for a few seconds. Allow the gel to be completely absorbed into the skin. Repeat at least 3 times daily for 2 weeks. Number 3 is vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is known for its antioxidant properties and skin regeneration potentials. This is vitamin E oil is considered one of the best treatment of the removing the skin tags. And break upon a vitamin E capsule to extract the pure oil. Apply a thin layer of the oil on the skin tag. Cover the area with bandage and leave it in overnight. The next morning, reapply vitamin E oil and apply a new bandage. Number 4, fenugreek seeds. The powerful antioxidant in fenugreek seeds help to remove the dead skin cells, including skin tags. Fenugreek seeds will help to shrink the skin tags until they disappear completely. Soak 2 or 3 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds in a glass of warm water overnight. In the morning, strain the seeds and collect the water in another bowl. Drink this water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Number 5 is oregano oil. Oregano oil has antiseptic properties and can help dry out the skin tags. Also, when applied typically, it serves as cleansing and numbing agent. Mix together 2 drops of oregano oil and 4 drops of coconut oil. Apply the oil mixture on the skin tag, allow it to air dry and then wash it off with warm water.
We wish you a